prayer, beseeching God for healing. Hours melted away, and day turned into night while Yegor remained kneeling, transfixed and unmoving. Finally, he took a wet cloth, wiped it across the Theotokos' face, and placed it on the festering mass. Exhausted, he fell to the floor and slept. In his dream, he saw the Mother of God shining in a golden light, which was radiating from her in all directions. Looking at Yegor with complete compassion and love, she reached out and gently touched his neck. At that moment, Yegor felt the pain begin to melt away, and as he woke up, he realized that the tumor, which had almost claimed his life, was completely gone. In its place, nothing but a small mark remaining. With boundless gratitude, he began to thank the Lord and the Theotokos for answering his prayers and healing him.